In the heart of the lush jungle, where the trees whispered secrets and the rivers sang, lived a young boy named Mowgli. He was no ordinary child. He had been raised by a family of wolves who adored him. Mowgli was curious and brave, with wild black hair and a heart full of adventure. His best friends were Bageera, the sleek black panther, and Baloo, the jovial bear who loved to teach him about the ways of the jungle. One sunny morning, as the golden rays filtered through the canopy, Mowgli and Bageera were exploring a hidden glade. The air was alive with the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves. Suddenly, they heard a low growl that sent shivers down their spines. It was Sher Khan, the fearsome tiger with a coat as bright as fire and eyes that glowed like embers. He had a reputation for being cunning and cruel, and he was not fond of humans. "Mowgli," Bagheera warned, his voice serious. "You must be careful. Sher Khan is lurking nearby. He sees you as a threat to his territory." But Mowgli, filled with the spirit of adventure, replied, "I can't be afraid of him. I belong to this jungle. I will face him." As they ventured deeper into the woods, they finally came face to face with Sher Khan. He stood tall and proud, his stripes blending into the shadows. "Well, well, if it isn't the man-cub," he sneered. "You think you can roam freely in my jungle?" Mowgli stood firm, his heart racing. "I am not afraid of you, Sher Khan. I have friends who will protect me." Sher Khan chuckled darkly. "Friends? They will not save you from me." Just then, Baloo appeared, his large presence filling the clearing. "Leave the boy alone, Khan. He is under my protection." The tension crackled in the air as Sher Khan narrowed his eyes. "You think you can stand against me, bear?" But Bagheera stepped forward, his voice steady. "We are united. You cannot intimidate us, Khan." The jungle thrives on friendship and courage, not fear. Mowgli felt a surge of strength from his friends. "We will not let you bully us. The jungle is our home, and we will defend it." Realizing he was outnumbered and that the jungle spirits were with Mowgli, Sher Khan hissed in frustration. "This is not over, man-cub. I will return." With that, he slinked back into the shadows, leaving Mowgli, Bagheera, and Baloo triumphant. The friends celebrated their victory, knowing that together they could face any challenge the jungle threw their way. Mowgli learned that bravery comes not just from facing danger alone, but from the bonds of friendship that make one truly strong. And so, the boy and his friends continued their adventures, knowing that the jungle was a place of wonder and courage,